Hello, my darlings, and welcome. Today I'll be making some beeswax house blessing spell candles. Let's do some magical crafting. I wanted to do a candle tutorial as we near in bulk, and a dear friend is moving house, so I thought I'd combine beeswax candle making with a house blessing and craft a housewarming gift for a friend. I started by making a spice and herb mixture that includes cinnamon to draw wealth into the home and to also add a cozy and comforting scent. Cinnamon draws love and good luck and offers protection. Rose petals to encourage love to always be present in the home. Lavender is known to bring good sleep and clarity of thought, but it has other properties as well. Protecting and bringing peace into the home and attracting love are among them. I also added sage. It's common to smudge with sage to cleanse a room, but actually this herb's magical properties are quite varied. Sage's energy brings prosperity to and guards over the home. Sage builds emotional strength and may also help to heal grief. Rosemary is a traditional home blessing herb with cleansing properties that banish negative energy and promote relaxation. The essential oil I've chosen is lavender. Of all the herbs in the candle, I think lavender is the most calming. I want these candles to be soothing and to promote good sleep in my friend's new home. I mixed the sage, rosemary, and lavender flowers in a mortar and ground them into fine pieces with a stone pestle. I did not include the cinnamon because it's already ground to a fine powder. And I did not add the rose petals because I like to keep those just slightly crushed but somewhat whole so that they look pretty when they're revealed as the candle burns. I wish you could smell the mixture as the herbs and flowers were crushed. The whole room smelled amazing. When I added the rose petals and cinnamon, I stirred the mixture to combine them with the other herbs, being careful not to pulverize the rose petals. Then I transferred the mixture to a dish and added several drops of lavender essential oil. Setting the herb mixture aside, it's time to work with the beeswax. I love the slight honey scent that comes from real beeswax. It has the marvelous property of anchoring and blending other spell ingredients together into a harmonious whole. And I love to work with it in sheets. It's easy to cut and roll. I took one sheet of beeswax and cut it lengthwise into 3 2.5-inch strips. I just measured with a ruler and easily cut the wax with a craft knife. Working on a piece of wax paper so the wax didn't stick to my table, I spooned 1/3 of the herb mixture onto the wax strip and used a dry paintbrush to spread it more evenly across the surface. When I ordered my beeswax sheets, I made sure that they came with wicking. It's important to use braided cotton wick in a beeswax candle. Never use wicking that's meant for petroleum-based candles. Petroleum-based candles have a higher melting point than beeswax, and the wicks are designed to burn much hotter than beeswax requires. They'll cause your candles to sputter and spit. The beeswax will burn unevenly and much too fast. Taking a piece of braided wicking about 1 inch taller than the candle, I began tightly folding the end of the wax sheet over the wick. Once I got it started, I began to slowly roll the candle, keeping the edges straight and a nice tight and even pressure. When the candle is rolled up, you can just use your finger to seal it. The warmth of your skin and a little pressure should do it. When I had all 3 candles completed, I put them together in a bundle and tied them with some purple string, adding a triple moon charm and a bow. I will give my friend these house blessing candles along with this purple agate coaster to burn them on, and all my wishes for abundance and joy in her new home.